Welcome everyone to the GrowDose YouTube channel. Here we focus on recipe generation, but not for human food, for plant food. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a very famous nutrient solution known as the Hoagland solution, using 3 different fertilizers from Yara. First, let's input the target concentrations proposed by Hoagland for the 6 essential macronutrients: nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, potassium, K, calcium, Ca, magnesium, Mg, and sulfur, S. We'll enter these numerical values directly into the GrowDose software. Note that I have increased the calcium concentration from 160 to a level of 200 milligrams per liter. Next, we add the chemical compositions listed on the fertilizer labels. The first fertilizer we'll use is Yara Tropicote, calcium nitrate, and here's its chemical composition. You can easily add more fertilizers using the Add Fertilizer button in the software. The second fertilizer is Yara Crista MGS, providing magnesium and sulfur with its composition also shown on the label. Finally, the third fertilizer is a more general purpose one, Yara Mila, whose nutrient breakdown you can also find on its label. Quick note: for phosphorus, P, and potassium, K in Yara Mila, I had to adjust the values rather than using the reported 15 values. Do you know why? If you have an idea, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Once the fertilizers are set, we select the amount of water for the solution. In this example, we'll use the default 100 liters. After that, simply press the Calculate Recipe button, and there you have it. The software calculates how many grams of each fertilizer you need to dissolve in 100 liters of water to match the target concentrations. Here's the result. Fertilizer 1, Yara Tropicote, 77.2 grams. Fertilizer 2, Yara Crista MGS, 23.7 grams. Fertilizer 3, Yara Mila, 103.9 grams. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a graph showing the difference between the target, Hoagland solution, and the achieved concentrations with these fertilizers. As you'll notice, the selected fertilizers don't perfectly match the Hoagland recipe. But don't worry, in the next video, I'll show you how to improve the recipe and get even closer to the target values. So, if you don't want to miss more videos about nutrient solution recipes and plant nutrition tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.